So I got a new print head and some ink cartridges for this printer. For those who remember this video from last year, I don't know why it's out of focus, there we go. Well, I bought a new print head and some ink cartridges for it, the genuine HP kind, both of them from eBay. But for some reason, when I inserted them, it gave me this error code. So I'll take a look and show it to you. I'll just ignore that. See, it says the print head appears to be not, oh, hold on. The print head appears to be missing, not detected, or incorrectly installed. It shows me this error code. I looked it up on Google. I followed these steps, but none of them seem to work. I'm not sure why it's not working for some reason. I even tried cleaning it and no dice, so I don't know what's going on. Oop. However, it did detect all of the ink. Of course, it's going to give me this. Even I tried doing a factory reset, still didn't work. I even tried unplugging it for a minute, and it still didn't work. This is what it looks like. That's the print head, there's the ink, the genuine HP ink, both of them from eBay. Oh, I don't know why I just got choked. There we go. Yeah, that's it right there. I even tried cleaning that and that, as you can see in there, but it still wouldn't want to work for some reason. I don't understand why. So I just have to, this white latch, see, it still gives me that same error code. Now, I don't know what's wrong with it, but if you have any solutions, let me know in the comments.